Hello my loved ones, you are welcome back to Secret's Fashion House channel. My name is Fola. Today we'll be learning how to make one stylish bubu with center front drapes. Let's get started. So to make this beautiful bubu, we'll be making use of this chiffon fabric of about 2.5 years. It's 2.5 years by 60. Then we need the bias tape, the matching color of bias tape of like 1.5 yards. We need this buckle, and we need thread, needle and thread. For this buckle, actually the buckle comes this way, so I am the one that removed the center one, this center line, because we don't need it. This is the way we want to make use of it. So if you are able to get the round one without this, you are good to go. Now, out of my 2.5 yards, I've gone ahead to cut out 40 inches. One will be used for the front and one will be used for the back. I cut out 40 inches. That is more than 1 yard. So the next thing is to fold this into two. Cut out my neckline for the front. When I fold 40 inches into two, it gives me 20 inches. So this is chiffon fabric. You are good to use pin to hold it down. So I get the neckline for the front. I get 3 inches width, and the depth I will be getting 7 inches for the depth. It's going to be V-neck for the V-neckline for the front cut. So you are going to use 6 to 8 inches for the front neckline depth. So the next thing is for me to connect it. You are going to shape the sleeve side, because this is the armhole side. You can just step down with like a 1.5 here and connect it with straight ruler. You are going to use 2 inches, 1.5 to 2 inches. It's okay. Then I cut it out. Yeah, so for the armhole, so you measure your armhole from that point where you come down with 1.5 to 2 inches. You measure 9 inches as your armhole line. So you just notch it. So this is for the front cut. So let's go to the back cut. Now to cut the back, measure 3 inches the way you did in the front as the wideness of your back neckline. Then the neck depth of the back, make it to be 1.5 or 2 inches. I use 1.5 here. So then just go ahead and connect it. I don't need this fabric is drawing, it's chiffon, so I just use freehand sketch to connect the back neckline. So by this side, do your shoulder slope of 1.5 to 2 inches, then connect it to the shoulder width. So from your shoulder slope, measure 9 inches as your armhole line. Notch it. So the next thing is for us to go and join the back and front together, placing right side on the right side. So you place the neckline of the front and back together. The shoulder line. Place it together. Go and join it with a 1/2 inch. Do the same thing the second side. So thereafter, I'll use the bias to pipe the neckline. You are good to cut facing for your neckline. We have video on that. We have done the Bubu where we use the facing, but for this project we are using a bias tape for it. Now, so far I've gone ahead to join the shoulder line of my Bubu together. I joined the bias tape. I use the bias tape to tape the neckline. Then I come to the armhole region. I overlock it and I stitch it down with like I have an inch. So thereafter I join the side of my Bubu. The same thing was done to the other side. Then I fold in the hem of my Bubu. So the next thing is for us to go to the drape part of this Bubu. So what you do is that you come to the center front of your Bubu. So I'm in the wrong side of the fabric now. So you just fold it into two, even to get the underbust of the client. We are dealing with the front part now. This is it. Then you get the underbust. The underbust of this person we are working with is around 14 to 15. This is it. So in this center front, just mark this center front this way, just to note the exact center front. Just use your chalk to mark it, because as you are draping, as you are putting it in the buckle, you don't want to come this side or come to the other side. You want to deal with the center front. So this is it. Then I open it. This is my center front now. So the next thing I will do is to pick my Bubu somewhere around here. I'm dealing with only the front now. It depends on how high you want your drape to be. So just pick it this way. Then insert your buckle. When you are inserting your buckle, let this normal side be under, because this is the side that will be sewing in the front side. That will be, you'll be feeling in the right side. So I'm putting it, ensuring I don't exceed this underbust. So, and I maintain the center still. I've not shifted to other side, so you can see. So the next thing is to place it this way. Let this one come the way you see me doing. Yeah. I'm trying to see my underbust mark. This is it. So as I place it this way, I will pin it down before I tack it with my needle and thread. Ensuring your buckle is in the middle of this cap like something. I'm pinning it down. Yes, I've pinned it down now. Having done that, I can feel my buckle. I can feel my buckle in between here. So I want to shift this up a bit so as to give me an opportunity to tack. And I want to tack it down. So this is the front view of it. So now we want to tack it down now. So as I want to tack it down, I want my needle to be hidden under the drape in the right side. So I will ensure that I come out in a place where my thread will be hidden. Yeah, so this is it. So I want to be packing it down now, ensuring I hide this thread under my you want to tack it round, ensuring your thread is being hidden under the drape. We are coming to this region where we started. Yes, this is where we started. So I will just knot it. So having done that, I remove the pin. Yes. So I turn it to the right side. This is the right view of it. So it will speak better when it gets to mannequin. So you can see this is our boku. I'm sure you are really enjoying this video. Like this video, share it with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, Physique Fashioners channel, ensure that you do well to subscribe today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.